I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Prius key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, which is perfect for gently prying open the key fob. Crucially, have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready for replacement. Make sure your work area is clean and well lit to prevent losing any small components. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick battery swap. Now, let's carefully open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually found on one of the sides of the fob casing. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The goal is a clean separation. With the key fob open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is important for correct installation of the new one. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your fresh CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Give it a firm squeeze around the edges to confirm it's fully closed. The last step is to immediately test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.